When my mother is going through the time of the change, as you people call it here in America, her back go completely silver. She was on freighter ship working near in the lower Indian Ocean when she was lost overboard. I always assumed that the heartbreak my mother had for my father, Brazilian car, had broken her heart to the point she had finally thrown herself overboard, as in the tale of Arturus and Ulysses. So, when one time Gunther and I, we are having grow in Malawi because we are short on money. So, in Malawi, one day, early in the morning fog, I think I see my mother. So, I approach slowly so as not to disturb or shock her. As I get closer, certainly the smell, everything is so fragrant. It is the memory of my flower of a mother that I am seeking in the jungle. And as I get close enough to hug her, it turns about and it was no, my mother was a real silverback gorilla. And boy, I took a horrible beating. But after beating, I feel good because it was like one mother gave me when I was young. Merry Christmas, everyone! That's my happy Christmas story.